Hello, New York School of Flower Design. It's spring in New York. I'm walking down 28th Street where our school is located and looking at all the potted plants that are for sale. New York is blooming. Look at that. Here's the tulip patch. Look at all the beautiful tulips. We're out of the wind, we're out of the sun, we're out of the sky. Reminds you of the Wizard of Oz. And they've also got some taller stuff. Everything's available in New York. Look at those fat, gorgeous hyacinths. Those that pack a powerful smell as we're looking down the street. Again, we're on 28th Street, New York School of Flower Design, the greatest flower school in the East, West, South, North. If you're going to join us, go to flowerschool101.com and bloom. Michael Gaffney saying, keep blooming.